How to create and use an email signature. In this video, we'll show you how to create and utilize an email signature. You'll start by navigating to Settings and Team Management. Here you'll see a list of the users in your system, and you can click Edit next to the person that you would like to create or edit an email signature for. In this window that pops up, you can expand the tab for User Info. Scroll down, and here you can create the signature. You can type in the first and last name, phone number, fax number, anything else that you'd like to include. You just include that text here, and you can also drag and drop any images you'd like to include. Here you'll see all the formatting options as well. You can add links, you can format the font, the paragraph, the style, etc. There are two important options to note here as well. You can check one or both of these boxes to enable the signature on all outgoing messages, or to include the signature before quoted text in replies. Once you have decided whether or not you'd like to check either of these boxes, and you're satisfied with how the signature appears, you can scroll down in this pop-up window and click Save, and then your changes will be all set. Now that you've created the email signature, there's a couple of different ways you can use it. You can either use the custom value for this signature if you'd like to have that included in emails, or if you've enabled this box here, it will automatically be enabled for all outgoing messages. That's it for now. Congratulations. You now know how to create and utilize an email signature.